We're good here.
I've actually been interested in clocks all my life, okay? Even as a child, I was fascinated by watches. Right now I have about 60 or 70. And there have been times in my life that I've had a lot more. But through the years, I've tried to decrease the numbers and increase the quality of what I have. Well, this clock was made in 1905 or 6, right in that general area, and it was made by Seth Thomas. But the clock was sold to a jeweler in Kansas, Pittsburgh, Kansas, and that's where it spent its life. It was moved to Chicago area 22 years ago, and then I bought it in April, and I've been restoring it in my garage ever since. I kind of thought it would take about as long to put it together as we did to take it apart.
Give them signals.
But that's not true. We took it apart much faster.
Are we all right?
That was really scary, doing that. I mean, you know, I was really apprehensive that things would not fit properly. You know, we had marked everything when we tore it down.
We're half an inch off.
But still, you know, things change. And so I was very much afraid. But as it turned out, it went together pretty well.
Do we have enough to work with here? We might have to move the frame again. Nope, maybe not. Hey, nice. Perfect!
Even though there are 4 major parts, you know, to the frame, there are probably 40 small things. The clock itself is 17 feet 4 inches tall. It has 2 40-inch dials. The weight that drives it is 180 pounds. It takes a lot to drive this clock, but it's a lot of clock too, so.
That'll be for that far side.
When it was in Chicago, the sidewalk was higher, the clock was lower. But here, as you see, there's a few feet more, so it looks great. Well, it's 17 feet 4 inches tall, so it's pretty good.
Are you excited to get the crowning piece on?
Oh, have I ever. Well, I've been working now non-stop for about 4 months to get it to where it is now.
This might be it.
First of all, you know, I like clocks.
That one went right in.
You know, that's the bottom line. A clock like this is exceedingly rare to buy. They don't come available for sale. Because now, like, I know of 4 street clocks that are left in Wisconsin, okay? And all 4 of those clocks are owned by cities. And I'm just thankful I had the opportunity to buy this one. You own one yourself, it's kind of fun, you know. When I was deciding where to put this, I made a mock-up. And then I carried the mock-up to different spots. And then that's where everybody decided it should be. And I think it looks pretty good here. I'm very pleased. I'm happy about it. And I'm very happy these guys are here to help me. I mean, they're great.
Yeah, you put a screw here, but we'll just take it off.
So from a single source down here, it'll turn this and see, and then it'll turn the hands. This is very nice work. This was done by a man in Madison. It's beautifully done. It was in really bad shape when we started. It was all rust.
Oh, wow.
All right, you ready?
You trust me with this thing, it looks complicated.
It is complicated. You gotta handle it gently. I got it.
There were 4 major makers of them. And I do think that Seth Thomas was one of the better makers. You want one that's original. And one that's original is purely mechanical. You know, it has a weight-driven movement.
We got the wire.
It has a pendulum. It's just a regular, like you'd have a clock in your house.
All right, there's 2 pieces here.
I see that. I'll sandwich them. Got them.
Now you gotta make sure that the 12 goes up. All right, set them both at 12 o'clock. Yeah. Isn't it amazing?
1, 2, 3.
Gotta come back. Okay, we're good. We're 50%, Gary. Yeah, we got one in there. She's not gonna fall out. There we go.
I believe you got her tight.
There, we're getting more together.
Set.
Oh, wonderful. These clocks are funny, in that these clocks kind of develop a life of their own, okay? People love them, okay? And communities love them. And so it'll take care of itself in due time, you know? I mean, we're very fortunate to have this clock. It is a dream come true, you know, and to own a clock of this. It's a great clock. That's about all you can say, you know. That's a great clock.
But I'm excited. Thanks for coming.